Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that has been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question is Hostinger website builder any good compared to others? Let's dive in my Hostinger website builder review. Upbeat music before we get started. I we left the best discount deal in the description below. It easy to use. Unlike most website builder with the hosting, you are buying a hosting plan that include the builder. This is a great deal while platform like Squarespace sale plan for just one site hosting builder lets you create up to 100 website with a signal affordable plan. However, this means there's no try before you buy option. You pay, but there is the 3-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We talking price later. After setting up account, I choose hosting your website builder. The builder offer our 100 unique looking template, while some start to look similar. Many are modern and flash with a no premium looked option. You can use any template. The editor no look. Let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy, just drag them from the tab all through. There are not many elements to choose from. There enough for most websites. I love how you can add image from free libraries on your phone quickly. A feature beginner will appreciate is the grid system. It split the design into square, speeding up the process in by elementing the need to move element pixel by pixel. While I wish were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what available. Pricing now for the fun part. Pricing Hostinger is a one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting and not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix. Squarespace. The true value through lies in the premium plan for under $3 a month. You get more storage, no bandwidth limited, a free domain, and up to 100 websites. That probably the best deal out. Very special with the discount link value. Hostinger renewal rate are also consumer friendly. The price is doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce hosting a website builder is a great for personal projects, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small business. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for the just wanted to sell a five item online. Managing inventory and adding product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance is crucial, especially for online shop. If your site loads slowly, UI loss customer. Google recommended a load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is a light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, fast, better than 99% of builder I reviewed, and within Google recommended time from blogging. Hostinger shine for business site and portfolio, but not just much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lacks the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post a separate page, which can be tedious. AI tool Stinger Web Builder offer a 5 AI tool to help you get started. An AI logo generator, AI writer, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website while not groundbreaking. These tools are helpful for beginners. Conclusion: if you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger may be the answer. It's the cheapest premium web builder on the market with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend it. Give Hostinger a try. Thank you for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want to more, leave a like on this video. See you later. Thank you for watching.